What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best Nreal Air AR glass on the market for this year. We're going to show you our best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Nreal Air AR glasses. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, innovation often takes the form of merging the virtual and the real. The Nreal Air AR glasses, formerly known as Nreal, emerges as a remarkable testament to this convergence. With its awe-inspiring 201 micro-OLED virtual theater, these smart glasses not only redefine the augmented reality experience but also elevate entertainment, connectivity, and gaming to unprecedented heights. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the features, performance, and user experience that the Nreal Air AR glasses bring to the table. The first impression is lasting, and the Nreal Air AR glasses make a striking one. Crafted with a perfect balance of aesthetics and functionality, the glasses exhibit a sleek and contemporary design that's bound to turn heads. The glasses come with an adjustable head strap, ensuring a secure fit for various head sizes and shapes. The lightweight frame, coupled with cushioned nose pads, guarantees extended comfort during prolonged usage. The ultimate virtual theater, the standout feature of the Nreal Air AR glasses, is undoubtedly its expansive 201 micro-OLED virtual theater. Once users don these glasses, they are transported to a world where traditional screens feel dwarfed. The breathtaking clarity and immersive experience are a testament to the leaps in technology that these glasses embody. Whether it's binge-watching a favorite series, enjoying a blockbuster movie, or catching up on the latest YouTube trends, the Nreal Air AR glasses provide a virtual theater experience that's hard to match. Augmented reality, AR, takes on a new meaning with the Nreal Air AR glasses. Overlaying digital elements onto the real world seamlessly, the glasses open up a realm of possibilities. From interactive navigation to visualizing information in real time, the AR capabilities of these glasses transcend novelty and demonstrate true utility. Imagine walking through a city and having historical information pop up around you, or getting step-by-step AR instructions for complex tasks. The potential is boundless. On are the days of squinting at small screens for entertainment. The Nreal Air AR glasses transform how we consume media. They are compatible with a wide range of devices from PCs and Android to iOS and gaming consoles. This means users can seamlessly stream content from platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Twitch. Gaming takes on a new dimension as well, with cloud gaming compatibility offering a lag-free and visually stunning experience. The glasses create a private, personal space for entertainment, making the user feel as if they are in a cinema, regardless of their physical location. Setting up and operating the Nreal Air AR glasses is surprisingly intuitive. The glasses can be connected wirelessly to various devices, eliminating the need for a cumbersome tangle of wires. The user interface, navigated through intuitive gestures, allows for easy switching between AR and entertainment modes. With its user-friendly approach, the glasses cater to both tech-savvy individuals and those new to augmented reality technology. The Nreal Air AR glasses boast impressive performance metrics. The micro-OLED display delivers stunning visuals with rich colors and sharp contrast. The real-time tracking and spatial mapping capabilities ensure that augmented reality elements blend seamlessly with the real world. As for battery life, the glasses are designed to endure extended usage periods. Users can expect several hours of entertainment or AR exploration before needing to recharge. The Nreal Air AR glasses not only excel in entertainment and gaming but also extend their potential to various professional applications. Architects can visualize their designs in real-world settings, medical professionals can access patient data hands-free, and remote collaborations can be more immersive than ever. The glasses essentially redefine how we interact with information, technology, and each other. In a world where technology is inching ever closer to the realm of science fiction, The Nreal Air AR glasses stand as a beacon of innovation. Their ability to seamlessly blend the virtual and the real is a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable appetite for progress. From their sleek design to the mind-blowing 201 micro-OLED virtual theater, these glasses have the potential to shape the future of entertainment, communication, and productivity. The Nreal Air AR glasses are not just a product. They are a window into the limitless possibilities of tomorrow. What we like about this product: cutting-edge technology. The Nreal Air AR glasses incorporate state-of-the-art micro-OLED display technology, offering stunning visuals and impressive color accuracy. Immersive gaming. Gamers can enjoy an unparalleled gaming experience with lag-free cloud gaming compatibility, making action-packed titles come to life in a whole new way. Personal entertainment hub. With these glasses, users can create their private entertainment space, allowing them to binge-watch, stream, and games without the constraints of traditional screens. Future-ready. The Nreal Air AR glasses are designed to accommodate future updates, ensuring that users stay at the forefront of AR and VR advancements. Enhanced productivity. From virtual meetings to hands-free information access, these glasses can boost productivity by offering real-time data overlays and remote collaboration tools. Innovative design. The adjustable head strap, cushion nose pads, and lightweight build contribute to a comfortable fit during prolonged use. Social interaction. Augmented reality features allow users to engage with digital elements in social settings, sparking conversations and adding a layer of interactivity to social gatherings. Travel companion. These glasses can serve as virtual tour guides, providing historical, cultural, and navigational information while exploring new places. What we don't like about this product: premium pricing. The Nreal Air AR glasses come with a higher price tag, which might make them inaccessible to budget-conscious consumers. Battery life. Despite advancements, the battery life remains limited, requiring users to manage usage to avoid frequent recharges. Content limitations. The full potential of these glasses relies on the availability of compatible AR and entertainment content, which could be a limiting factor. Aesthetic concerns. The glasses' design might not suit everyone's fashion preferences, potentially making users hesitant to wear them in certain social situations. Learning curve. Operating the device requires familiarization with gesture-based controls, which might pose a slight learning curve for some users. Eye discomfort. Extended usage of the virtual theater feature could lead to eye strain or discomfort for some individuals, necessitating breaks during extended sessions. Limited peripheral vision. The design of the glasses could potentially limit peripheral vision, affecting the user's awareness of their physical surroundings. Dependence on connectivity. Seamless functionality relies on stable wireless connections, which might be challenging in areas with poor network coverage. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.